Centralization is unsustainable. Centralization is a human drive, it comes from our struggle to understand reality. Modern science is reductionist, it can understand a few cells. It can map out simple processes. But this modernity has a limited understanding. It cannot map out more complex networks and their interactions. Modernity hopes that computers will fix this. Modernity even hopes for more, for an artificial intelligence that could replace or guide individual thought. But that would be a mistake, it will only magnify risks. The risks come from nature itself. Nature is very decentralized, very intelligent, and ruthless. For more than 3 billion years, nature perfected a decentralized system. Intelligence emerges from a distributed network of individual actors. Self-organized networks emerge, their intelligence grows further as they ruthlessly compete with one another. We see this emergent intelligence every day. We see this in nature, and in society. In nature, emergent intelligence appears in everything from single cells to more complex organisms. In nature, single-celled amoeba change radically when they face food scarcity. Individual amoebas turn into a multicellular slug, which then moves to a spot with more resources, or turn into a fruiting body that releases spores into the wind. All of this emerges from the individual actions of amoebas, with no central amoeba leader. In nature, more complex creatures like ants routinely demonstrate emergent intelligence. In a flood, they can form a raft and float to safety. They can assemble into a ladder to reach better food sources. They can do this, and more, thanks to the colony's emergent intelligence. In society, emergent intelligence appears when individual humans are able to innovate. It can lead armies to victory. One example is the World War II battlefields of Burma. When British Colonel Ord Wingate invaded Japanese-held Burma, he sneaked in. He airdropped his troops, the Chindits, into the jungle. There, as a network of autonomous units, they probed, sabotaged, attacked. They would disappear into the jungle before moving to another target. Eventually, the Japanese could no longer sustain the fighting. Once again, the distributed networks defeat central control. In nature and in society, life does not need central control. In a decentralized network of nodes moved by a common purpose, intelligence will simply emerge. Emergent intelligence will easily sustain itself. Centralized networks, on the other hand, will struggle to survive. Thank you for your 2 minutes. For a deeper dive, you can find George's book, Planet A, on Amazon. See you in the next one.